Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Hero. So today I am going to show you how you can export an APK file of your Android Studio project. So this is my sample project. So first of all you have to go to the build, then you have to select build, bundles, oblique, APKs, and then you have to click on build APKs. Then Gradle build will get started. So let's just wait till it's get completed. While it's getting built, make sure you like, share, comment this video and subscribe to the channel. I also make Python videos and Scratch videos too. You can check out the playlist. See, once it is done, it will show us this notification, and then if you click on locate, it will locate us to the APK file. So this is our APK file. And then if you want to get the location where the app is saved, just go to the folder where your application is created, and then if you go to the app, then build, then outputs, and then APK, after that debug, and this will be your app. You can share it to your mobile and then you can install it and test it. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share, comment the video and subscribe to the channel.